bright. Here's that mole one. That's what it looks like. And then
Crazy ass animal.
It's like little animals, like little trapeze things.
I love that.
This
What
one's
is
standing
these?
up.
I don't know. I smelled it because I thought it was a fruit snack, but man,
They're
it's like straight rubber.
Yeah, they're needle. They came free with my magazine.
Isn't that special?
I love this bookcase. It makes me want to get a bookcase and then paint the inside of it lime green.
Oh yeah.
You know, like paint it white and then paint the inside lime green.
That would be so fun.
It even has like little shelves built in. You
Little
know.
dividers.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
Isn't that neat? You can have that. It's not that good a magazine.
You want to get the mobile up in the bookcase?
No, because there'll be a page missing.
I'll read it first and then you can take it.
Make copies.
Coffee.
I
She doesn't need you.
do. Really.
Look at her. Were you coming or what?
I still got the ladybug stuff too, and I was thinking your mom.
Oh yeah.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
What?
Way Mochi plays with Dad.
As soon as he comes home, she shows up with that thing, drops it at his feet. Is that what she?
Yeah, and she stares right at him. You know, just waits for him to acknowledge her.
See how she jumps over?
Yeah. The wooden area. She still does that, huh? I forgot about that. She jumps over that thing every time, huh?
And then watch Cooper. Cooper! Come here, Cooper!
Give it up, Cooper. She'll jump over that the floor, huh?
But not on the return, just on the front. Let's see if I can find somebody down and make sure.
Pre-buy the animal.